Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to enable Windows 11 Copilot so you can get AI powered assistance right on your PC. First of all, open the settings. You can open the settings from here, or you can press Windows plus I, that is the shortcut of settings. Then go to the personalization. After going here, scroll to the taskbar settings. Here you will see the taskbar items. Then to move the Copilot or to enable the Copilot, simply search for the Copilot and simply toggle the bar here, and your Copilot will be on the taskbar. If you don't find, then go to the systems or go to the apps and search for install apps and search for the Copilot, and simply open it, or go to the search bar and go to the search for Copilot, and you can see the Copilot here. If you did not get it, you can go to the Google Chrome and you can simply download it from here. And that's it. Copilot is now enabled and ready to assist you. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.